Well, an Upper Peninsula Motorcycle Club did some Christmas shopping at Marquette's Shopco last Friday.
But not for themselves, it was for local children in need. TV6's Nick Brennan has that story in tonight's Up Close report.
What are you, gray hat now?
By the time the Highland Clan Motorcycle Club finished filling cart after cart with all sorts of toys for children in need, they had about $6,000 worth of merchandise to pay for. But they had the money, thanks to a live auction they held back in August to raise money for this exact purpose.
We started going around to local businesses and we solicited donations that we can auction off. All the brothers from not only this area, but on the west end and the east end of the UP came down.
There was guys from Mexico.
The club's been doing this every Christmas for 17 years, cooperating with the Marine Corps League Toys for Tots drive. And come Christmas time, all these toys are going to be put to good use all over the area.
Marine Corps League, the Given Tree in Negaunee, St. Vinny's in Negaunee, and also the Cheer Club in Ishpeming.
Once every dollar of the $6,000 raised was spent and the toys were priced, it was time to check out. Hakala says the club has no other stake in this event other than helping the Marine Corps League and ensuring that children in need of holiday cheer have a happy Christmas day.
A lot of us are ex-military. We've given. That's why we hooked up with the Marine Corps League to begin with. We've been by their side for, well, 17 years doing this, and we hope it puts a smile on their face. That's all we ask.
Nick Brennan, TV6 News, Marquette.